What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another video. It's a beautiful day. Unfortunately, we're expecting a whole bunch of rain tomorrow, so we don't have too much time to play around, but we've cut down a bunch of trees on this side. They were too close to the house, and we've got the gravel. You guys saw that. We're gonna go ahead and get at least one more, probably two more gravel deliveries today. And level out. Now let's get closer to the string here. So as you can see, the level here, the dirt is too high, so we're gonna have to scrape all of this off and dump it on that side. So that's going to be the level of the concrete. So we basically have to go down at least 6 inches, probably more, actually 10 inches down, so we can put a sturdy base, and then the concrete goes on top of that. About 6 inches of concrete goes on top of that. So again, that's the level. And yeah, if you go over here, may have to scrape off some of that stuff too right there. But we're basically at the level right here. Yeah, we're basically there. And man, this is a very sturdy gravel right there. Love it. Been tapping it down with the track loader. The way I do that is I pick up this stone right there, put it in the bucket, and just drive up and down. It's been actually pretty effective. It's not too bad. So let's go ahead and start doing some leveling work, some scrapage work. See if we can get this finished.
aérea.
No, está bien. Yo te lo uso de...
De relleno.
Ajá, de relleno de
¿Y
vidrio.
esta pieza de qué? Es que no puede recaer.
Esa basura.